Your hairstyle might be making you look ugly. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. Hey everyone, I'm grwm, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about face shapes and hairstyles. Understanding your face shape is key when selecting an adequate hairstyle that is going to emphasize those key features and make you look more attractive. There are 6 main face shapes in the world. Number 1, oval faces. Number 2, square faces. Number 3, triangle faces. Number 4, round faces. Number 5, heart faces. And number 6, diamond faces. So first you need to find out what shape is your face. Now there are ways that you can do this online by simply taking a photo with your phone or with your webcam, importing it onto a computer. You can utilize image editing software, or there are certain apps that do trace the shape of your face. And you can compare that traced outline to common face shapes, such as oval, diamond, round, etc. Or you can just utilize an AI hairstyle changing app, pretty much like when you go to the barbers on Grand Theft Auto and you get them to change your hair. There's so many apps out there that can just import a picture of your face and you can try how different hairstyles would look. I'll leave a couple of apps that you can utilize down below in the description, so go check them out. Now let's jump into some hairstyles that are going to suit different face shapes. If you have an oval face, then you are in luck because a lot of hairstyles are going to suit that face shape. And here's why. Oval faces are longer than they are wide, with balanced features and usually a smooth jawline. This means you can generally pull off a variety of styles. Try pompadours for added volume, or you could go for a side parting for a nice classic look, or you can go for a messy crop for a nice relaxed look. Undercuts and fades create a sleek modern look, whilst quiffs can add a stylish touch. Just remember, balance is key. Avoid having too much volume on top and you'll be rocking some oval face shape hairstyles in no time. Square faces. Square faces are generally equal in length and width, with strong jawlines and prominent features. To help balance this out, try softer styles like fades, undercuts, or textured layers to reduce angularity. Curly or wavy hair to add some volume and create some softness. Avoid angular or boxy styles that will only help to accentuate that already square face shape. Triangular faces. Triangular faces are characterized by a narrow forehead with a broader jawline and chin. So you want to utilize hairstyles that are going to help balance those features. You can try angular styles like a fringe, like quiffs, side swept fringes, or messy layers that are going to add some width on the top of your head. Try adding volume on the top of your head. So things like pompadours and textured styles are going to be great for you. This is going to help draw attention away from the jawline and help to create the illusion of a more even and proportionate face shape. Avoid too much length on the sides as it can accentuate the narrowness of your face. Round faces. Do you have a round face? Your curved jawline and full cheeks need hairstyles that create length and angles. Round faces are equal in width and length. Here's some options that are going to help to try elongate your face. Any styles that will help to create some height, like a pompadour, a faux hawk, or generally messy textured hairs, or maybe even a mullet. They have been coming back in lately. Avoid too much volume on the sides as it can add width. Heart-shaped faces. Heart-shaped faces are generally the widest at the top, coming down to a more narrower chin. To help balance this, you want to try styles that are going to help add some width to the chin, like chin length bobs or messy layers. Side swept fringes or bangs to draw attention away from the forehead. Avoid having too much volume on the top of your head as it can only help to accentuate the width. Diamond face shapes. If you have a diamond shaped face, a narrow forehead and jawline, cheekbones that are the widest part of your face, you need hairstyles to help add width and balance. Diamond face shapes are generally a little bit more unique and rare, so here's some styles that you can try to help balance out those proportions. Styles that are going to add some width to your forehead, like a fringe or bangs. Curly or wavy hair to add volume and width to the jawline. Avoid too much length on the sides because it can accentuate that narrowness. And there you have it guys, understanding your face shape is key to finding a hairstyle that's going to make you look and feel great. Remember, these are just guidelines. The right hairstyle for you is going to depend on individual features, hair texture and personal style. Now all of these tips might be a little bit redundant if you do have a receding hairline or you're suffering with hair loss. If that is, I do have a video on this subject that's popping up on the screen right now, so make sure you go and check that out. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, toggle that notification bell so you can stay up to date with future content. I'll see you on my next video.